Welcome back everybody, I'm back with another video. So there's another package from AutoEngina, actually two packages, and this is the bigger one. And so I thought I'll just unbox the bigger one first, you know. What do you guys think this? I mean, it's in the title, so I don't need to say. Yeah, these are the panniers from AutoEngina. It's the 34 liters panniers. The stock panniers from Royal Enfield are about like 24 or 26 if I'm not wrong. Yep, so these are bigger in size. As usually, my weapon of choice is always my key, so yep.
I got off my ass, I ain't really do much. I took a little flight with my bitch, smoked out on the balcony, views was just too much. I copped a little foreign, a whip, a little ice on my wrist and my neck, think I grew up. And Uno got right with this music, he set this shit straight, think that little nigga blew up. Can't forget about people I lost, yeah, they up with that man on the cross. It's RP mama and RPG, yeah, that shit really hurts to the core. Like, how did we get to this point where we losing our loved ones and dumb shit, a virus like where?
Alright, so these are the panniers. Yep, they look really good. Just the color I wanted in black. They look so damn good, trust me. Can't wait to put it on my bike. So let me just put my bike on the center stand. The installation is pretty self-explanatory. It's the same way as you put in your stock panniers, just the same techniques and everything. It's the same mechanism as the stock panniers. So
I know I didn't hate cause they see in the glow. They greet me in person but hate on the low. Brush it off and move cautious, I ride with the foe. Just give me a reason, I'm letting it blow. My drip is like fashion, we call CEO. I'm Gucci wherever I go, I go. No bitches stripping attached to this pole. I pull up and shoot if they jacking my flow. Stepped in this bitch and I feel like the GOAT. She want a Gucci, I put it on toe. Before he saw 40, he thought it was jokes. He didn't know I had the power to...
alright, so this is another box from AutoEngina. I have no idea what this is. It's supposed to be a surprise box which AutoEngina sent me. So let me just open this. Panniers are done. So this is a small box. I have no idea what's inside this. Must be some small accessories. And this is supposed to be the crash card. I think I'm really familiar with that because I've seen this kind of package before. This should be a new color variant if I'm not wrong. So yep, let's try that out. I mean, I'm a fan of black, but like, let's see. I'm gonna install this anyways. So oh yeah, this is the new color variant. Some kind of a silver. Looks cool. Looks nice. So basically this is an all adventure kit if I'm not wrong. This is the same thing. It's a fog lamps clamp, by the way. What else? What is this? Oh, this is a master cylinder guard. This is the radiator guard. I kind of like this color scheme though. Kind of goes well with the silver accents on my bike, like the Himalayan and the Royal Enfield and everything. Kind of goes well. So I'm kind of tempted, or I'm kind of curious to know how this would look on my bike. This is the master cylinder guard. But I'm shipping the black though. Yeah. And this is kind of a new product that we haven't seen. I'm getting this for the first time. So this is supposed to be the headlight grill. As usually, AutoEngina's packing is like a mess. Wait, you guys need to chill with your packing, eh? Like, honestly. So this is supposed to be the headlight grill kind of thing. I'm kind of tempted to know how this will look on my bike. Oh, they've even labeled this. Oh, that's nice. This is the master cylinder guard. This is the fog lamp, and this is the headlight grill. And I don't know what this is. No idea. Fog lamp, headlight grill, and this must be the radiator. Yeah. Yep. I guess this is the radiator thing. No, it's not the radiator thing. I have no idea. Okay. Never mind. Okay, so this is a crash card, like I said. So let's unbox this, and unboxing this is a pain in the ass. Yep, I've changed my weapon of choice right now. It's the knife. Alright. Just going to the off-road store to get some things fixed up for my bike. Accessories from AutoEngina. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna show you guys how the pannier looks on my bike. I have the panniers on right now, so I'm just gonna ride his bike and I'm gonna show how my bike looks from behind. I mean, you guys have seen that before. It's just that this is a bit bigger than the stock panniers. Alright, so that's how it looks right now. And yeah, I think I'm gonna ride his bike for now. just so I can see how it looks from behind, and I can showcase it to you guys too, so why not? I mean, that looks kind of cool, yeah? I mean, it serves the purpose, 100%, no doubt. The black and black goes way too good. So I'm just about to reach the off-road store. Alright, so I hope you guys can hear me. So this is how the bike looks right now. So I've installed the crash guard onto this. Now this is the new color variant that they have, and the headlight grille and the master cylinder guard. I'm okay with how it looks right now. It's kind of nice, yeah. And I mean, I don't have a problem, but I think black would suit my bike a lot more than this, so I'm probably gonna stick to that later. In the future I'm gonna rock with these for a couple of days, and then I might change it back to them. Alright, so coming back to the panniers, I haven't talked about the panniers, yeah. Alright, so these are 36 liters each, whereas the Royal Enfield panniers are about like 26 liters. So yeah, there's a massive difference, and the moment you've been waiting for, this costs a blooming 25,000 rupees. That's actually almost close to, or even lesser than, the Royal Enfield stock panniers. So I mean, this is a pretty good deal, I would say. The build quality, I mean, there's absolutely no questions asked about the build quality. It's AutoEngina. I've been using their crash guard and everything else for a good amount of months. I mean, past couple of months, and oh my god, literally, come on man, they manufacture some good products. So I mean, this is a deal. So there you go, more capacity for lesser price. So one of these panniers weigh about 3.8 kilograms. I mean, I'm not sure about how much the stock panniers weigh, and also these come with 1 year warranty. So if you're facing any kind of issues with the panniers, they're gonna replace it or try to fix it. You just have to contact AutoEngina regarding that, and yeah, 1 year it is. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. It looks much bigger than the stock panniers. I've ridden with soft luggage and now hard luggage. I mean, I feel much more confident riding with these panniers. You see, soft luggage, I don't know, I'm not really sure about riding with them, you know. I'm not really comfortable riding with soft luggages because theft, you never know. And especially when you stop for lunch or dinner or whatever, restaurants, so it's always going to be in your mind, yeah, like you're going to worry about that. Like, but this, I don't think so. This, no one can do anything to this, I'm sure about. This is kind of self-explanatory. It's the same mechanism as the Royal Enfield panniers. It's just that this is bigger, very affordable compared to the stock panniers. And I believe and I'm sure that the quality is almost or better than the Royal Enfield. I trust AutoEngina like 100%. If you guys have any kind of queries regarding the panniers, you can just post a comment or just DM me in Instagram. I can just help you with that. And also you can get all of this in like an adventure kit, which includes the top box, the panniers and crash guard and all the accessories for Himalayan. The way you order all of them is just DMing AutoEngina in the Instagram page. So this is their Instagram page. Just go and send them a message, send them a query. Yeah, 36 liters aluminium, 25,000 for both of them, which includes just the panniers. And by the way, this only fits on the Royal Enfield stock saddle stay, so you need to have the Royal Enfield pannier stay in order to fit these into your bike. So that's all, nothing else. Get the panniers, get the saddle stay, and that's all. You can get these saddle stays from any Royal Enfield service centers or authorized dealers and get it fixed, and get the panniers from AutoEngina. I guess that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, and you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.